In this video, I'm going to show you how to add testimonials to your Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly on Shopify, we're going to be using an external widget, but don't worry, it's completely free of charge and it doesn't require any credit card information either. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website down below that'll take you straight to this page, so go ahead and click there. From here, go up and hover over widgets, and then under reviews all the way down at the bottom almost, you can see the testimonials slider. Go ahead and click there. Next, click on the big pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take you down to the template builder where you can start designing your widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, the layout, colors, and more later if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick one that's closest to what you're looking for now. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the standard slider option up here and click continue with this template down here. From here, we need to go ahead and add our testimonials. But first of all, you'd probably want to delete the placeholder testimonials. To do that, go ahead and click on the three small dots right here and then click delete. And as you can see, it's now deleted. I'm not going to go ahead and do that for every single one here just because I want some testimonials to show how the widget works, but you can go ahead and do that. Now to add a testimonial, go ahead and click on the blue add testimonial option up here. From here, you need to go ahead and add your testimonial text. Now I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one from ChatGPT, click copy here, and then insert it like this. And as you can see, this is the text. You can also select the star rating. Let's say this is a 5-star review. You can add the name. I'm going to add this woman right here, so I'm going to go ahead and download that. Let's say her name is Anne. So add the name. You can add a caption, which could be CEO. And then you can also add the date down here. And you can add a picture right here by clicking add. Go ahead and click upload file or upload from an URL. I'm going to go ahead with this option right here, which is to upload a file. From here, just go ahead and select the photo like this and click open and let it upload. Once it's uploaded, it's going to look something like this. Now, if you want to add more credibility, you can add something like a social profile URL. As you can see right here with this sample person, Taylor J, it has a Facebook option right here. So when you click on that, it's going to open a new URL so you can see this is a review from a real person. You can do the same for the website URL, and you can even add a logo. As you can see, these sample ones have logos right here. This is just an example, so I'm not going to add a logo, but it's really great because it can add more credibility. Once you've added your testimonial, go ahead and click done. And then just continue doing so for all of your testimonials. If you want to change something like the layout of the widget, go ahead and click on layout on the left hand side right here. From here, you have a few different options. You could choose, for example, grid or even a list. You can also go ahead and choose something like a floating badge, which is going to be down in the corner. And when people click on it, it's going to open up with all of the testimonials that they can scroll through like this. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the carousel option like originally. You can also scroll down a little bit and you can go ahead and add a widget title down here. The widget title is this bold text right here where it says what our clients say. You can even add a caption as well right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and just leave it as it is. If you want to change something like the small testimonial boxes, go ahead and click on testimonial. Here you have a couple of different testimonial styles, so go ahead and click on the arrows to scroll through them. Once you've chosen your desired style, you can also go down here where you have a few toggles. Here you could, for example, toggle off something like the dates. You can go ahead and toggle it by clicking like this, and it's not going to show the review date. And the same for the caption, which would be the title of them, for example, CEO. As you can see here, and even the reviewer picture and more. Now, if you want to change the colors of this widget to fit your branding, go ahead and click on style. From here, you have the color scheme. Right now it's set to light, but you could, for example, choose dark like this. Or if you would like to, you can also go ahead and choose a different accent color like this. You can see the read more button changes color. You can also go ahead and change the font. Right now it's set to default. That means it's going to apply the default font from the website. And on Shopify, you're automatically going to have a default font set to your theme. So that's what it's going to be applying. But if you don't want it to do that, go ahead and search for a new font down here and selecting it. And then it's going to stick with that. To change the color of certain elements, go ahead and click on the element down here. Let's say the background color. And right now it doesn't have a background color because it has this little symbol right here where it says it doesn't have a color, as you can see down here. But you could, for example, go ahead here and add a background color if you'd like this. You can even go ahead and add a gradient, an image, or even a video as a background as well. I'm just going to go ahead and select white and click done. And this basically allows you to customize it to your liking and your branding if you like. Once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the very bottom. From here, your screen will be opening up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what you're seeing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the green publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the left hand side by clicking the gray select button. Once you've done that, you should end up on a page that looks something like this. From here, just go ahead and click copy code. And now it's time to head back to Shopify. So once you're on your Shopify website designer, the first thing to do is to go ahead and select the page where you want to add this widget. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and select the home page. From here, you need to decide where you want to add the widget. In this case, I'm going to add it to the mid section right here, which is the template option over here. Go ahead and click add section. From here, scroll all the way down until you see custom liquid and click. And once it looks like this, go over on the right hand side where it says custom liquid and then insert the code we just copied by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking paste. And now you just need to wait for a moment. And as you can see, we've now added testimonials to our Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.